How will you distinguish between the following pairs of terms, and the terms provided are hexagonal close packing and cubic close packing. So here we are going to distinguish hexagonal close packing and cubic close packing. So in terms of both this hexagonal and cubic close packing, it is placing the third layer over the second layer to cover the void. So in case of hexagonal close packing, it is the covering of tetrahedral voids. That means the voids that are surrounded by 4 spheres. So in this case, the tetrahedral voids of the second layer may be covered by the spheres of the third layer. That is, in case of hexagonal close packing, the spheres of the third layer are vertically above the spheres of the first layer. That is, hexagonal close packing is an AB type, in which the first layer is AB, which is overlapped or covered by another layer of AB, which is again covered by another layer of AB. So this is how a hexagonal close packing structure is. On the other hand, in case of cubic close packed structures, it is covering the octahedral void. So the voids which are surrounded by six spheres are called octahedral voids, and in this case the third layer may be placed above the second layer in a manner such that the spheres cover the octahedral voids. So on the other hand, in cubic close packing, the spheres of the fourth layer are present above the spheres of the first layer. So an octahedral void can be covered in cubic close packing, which is of type ABC, in which ABC is the first layer. So the next layer, that is A, will be covering the octahedral void. And this is how we can distinguish between hexagonal close packing and cubic close packing.